Have you ever dreamed of a place where time seems to slow down? Where the loudest sound is the gentle lapping of turquoise waves against soft, powdery sand? Well, that place is real, and it's called Grand Turk. It's the capital island of the Turks and Caicos, a stunning archipelago floating in the warm, clear waters of the Atlantic, just southeast of the Bahamas. This isn't your bustling, high-rise resort kind of island. Oh no, Grand Turk is something much more special. It's a small, intimate jewel, only about 7 miles long and a mile wide, offering a genuine escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's a place where you can truly unplug, relax, and reconnect with yourself. Getting here is part of the adventure, a journey that brings you to a world that feels a million miles away, yet is surprisingly accessible. As your plane descends, you'll be mesmerized by the incredible shades of blue that surround the island, a vibrant welcome mat laid out just for you. Grand Turk has a rich history, a friendly community, and an atmosphere that immediately puts you at ease. The moment your feet touch the ground, you'll feel the warm embrace of the island's spirit. It's a destination that invites you to explore at your own pace, whether that means finding a quiet spot under a palm tree or setting off on an exciting new discovery every single day. The island's charm lies in its simplicity and its authenticity. You won't find sprawling mega resorts or crowded tourist traps here. Instead, you'll discover colorful colonial-style buildings, quiet streets where friendly donkeys and horses roam freely, and a sense of community that is both warm and welcoming. The local people, known as belongers, are incredibly proud of their home and are always happy to share a smile or a story. This creates a safe and inviting environment, making it a perfect destination for both solo travelers seeking solitude and families looking to create lasting memories together in a peaceful, beautiful setting. So, what makes Grand Turk a hidden gem? It's the perfect blend of breathtaking natural beauty, fascinating history, and a laid-back vibe that is becoming harder and harder to find. It's a place where you can experience the Caribbean as it once was, unspoiled, unhurried, and utterly enchanting. Whether you're seeking adventure beneath the waves or tranquility on the shore, this little island has a special kind of magic waiting just for you. Prepare to be captivated by its charm and to leave a little piece of your heart behind when it's time to go. It's more than a vacation, it's an experience that will stay with you forever. Let's talk about the beaches because, wow, the beaches on Grand Turk are simply spectacular. Imagine sinking your toes into sand that is as white and soft as powdered sugar, stretching out for miles along the coast. Governor's Beach is a must-visit, famous for its incredibly calm, crystal-clear water that shimmers in 1,000 shades of blue and green. It's the perfect spot to just float, relax, and let all your worries drift away with the tide. Because the water is so clear and shallow, it's an ideal place for families with young children to splash and play safely, building sandcastles and memories that will last a lifetime. But the beauty of Grand Turk's waters isn't just what you see on the surface. Just offshore lies one of the most incredible underwater ecosystems in the world. The island is perched on the edge of a dramatic underwater cliff, a 7,000-foot drop-off known as the Wall. This makes it a world-renowned destination for scuba diving. Divers from all over the globe come here to explore this magnificent coral wall, which is teeming with vibrant marine life. You can expect to see graceful sea turtles gliding by, majestic eagle rays soaring through the water, and countless schools of colorful tropical fish darting in and out of the intricate coral formations. Don't worry if you're not a certified diver, because the snorkeling here is just as amazing. You can easily explore the shallower reefs right from the beach. Just grab a mask and snorkel, and you can swim alongside friendly parrotfish, angelfish, and maybe even a curious stingray. The water is so transparent that you'll feel like you're swimming in a giant, natural aquarium. Many local operators offer guided snorkeling trips that take you to the best spots, ensuring you have a safe and unforgettable experience exploring the incredible underwater gardens that thrive just a stone's throw from the shore. It's an accessible adventure for all ages. From January to April, Grand Turk offers a truly once-in-a-lifetime experience, the annual migration of North Atlantic humpback whales. These gentle giants pass right by the island on their way to their breeding grounds. You can join a whale-watching tour and witness these magnificent creatures breaching and playing in the water. Hearing the sound of a whale's song reverberating through the ocean is a powerful and humbling experience you will never forget. It's a powerful reminder of the incredible natural wonders that make this island such a special and precious place in the heart of the Caribbean. Beyond the stunning beaches and underwater marvels, Grand Turk is steeped in a rich and fascinating history that is just waiting to be explored. Take a stroll through Cockburn Town, the capital of the Turks and Caicos Islands. As you wander its quaint streets, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. The town is lined with beautiful, historic Bermudian-style architecture, with charming wooden buildings painted in lovely pastel colors and surrounded by white picket fences. These structures date back to the 18th and 19th centuries, from the era when the island was a center for sea salt production, a trade that shaped its entire history and culture for generations. One of the island's most iconic landmarks is the Grand Turk Lighthouse, standing proudly on the northern tip of the island. Built in 1852 in the United Kingdom and shipped to the island in pieces, this historic iron lighthouse was essential for guiding ships safely past the treacherous reefs. Today you can visit the lighthouse grounds, learn about its history, and enjoy some of the most breathtaking panoramic views on the island. The surrounding area is also a wonderful spot for a picnic, and you might even see some of the island's famous wild donkeys grazing peacefully on the cliffs, adding to the picturesque and rustic charm of the location. The history of Grand Turk is also beautifully preserved at the Turks and Caicos National Museum. Located in one of Cockburn Town's most historic buildings, the Guinnep House, the museum tells the story of the islands from their earliest inhabitants to the present day. Its most famous exhibit is the Molasses Reef Wreck, the oldest European shipwreck discovered in the Americas. The artifacts and displays provide a captivating look into the island's maritime past, its salt industry heritage, and the natural history of the region. It's a fantastic way to spend an afternoon, gaining a deeper appreciation for the culture and resilience of the island's people. For those who love to connect with nature, the island offers more than just its coastline. You can explore a network of nature trails that wind through the island's interior, offering a different perspective on its ecosystem. These paths will lead you past salt ponds, where you might spot flamingos and other wading birds, and through native vegetation. It's a quiet and peaceful way to experience the island's natural, rugged beauty. Whether you are walking through the historic streets of Cockburn Town or exploring a quiet nature trail, Grand Turk provides countless opportunities to discover the stories and landscapes that make it so unique and captivating. The true heart of Grand Turk lies in its wonderfully relaxed atmosphere and the warmth of its local culture. This is the kind of place where you can truly slow down and embrace the simple pleasures of life. Imagine starting your day with a leisurely horseback ride along a deserted beach, the gentle sea breeze in your hair as your horse splashes through the shallow turquoise water. It's an incredibly serene and magical experience, offering a unique way to connect with the island's stunning natural landscapes. This activity is perfect for everyone, from beginners to experienced riders, and creates memories that are absolutely picture-perfect. The local culture is a vibrant tapestry woven from a history of salt raking, seafaring, and a blend of African, Bermudian, and British influences. You can feel this rhythm in the music, see it in the art, and taste it in the food. Be sure to visit a local restaurant to try some fresh-caught conch, prepared in a variety of delicious ways, from crispy fritters to refreshing salads. The island's culinary scene is all about fresh, local ingredients, especially seafood. Dining here isn't just about the meal. It's about the experience of sitting by the water, enjoying a fantastic dish, and soaking in the friendly, laid-back island vibe. Grand Turk is an exceptionally welcoming destination for every type of traveler. For families, the calm beaches and safe environment provide a perfect playground for children, while the array of easy adventures like snorkeling and visiting the lighthouse offers fun for all ages. For solo travelers, the island's small size and friendly community make it easy to navigate and feel at home. It's a place where you can find quiet solitude to read a book on the beach, or easily strike up a conversation with locals and fellow travelers at a beachside bar. The island offers that rare combination of adventure and tranquility. So, what are you waiting for? Your unforgettable island escape is calling. Grand Turk is more than just a destination. It's a feeling of peace, a sense of wonder, and an invitation to discover one of the Caribbean's best-kept secrets. I encourage you to pack your bags, leave your worries behind, and come explore this little piece of paradise for yourself. You will return home not just with a tan, but with a renewed spirit and cherished memories. For more guides to incredible destinations like this one, be sure to follow along on our travels. Adventure is out there, and Grand Turk is a perfect place to begin.